So I'm up here on top of this bridge between it's the Hillsborough River, right where Blake High School's at, and Story Middle School. And you can see the Tampa Heights market from here as well. And the sun is going down and it's beautiful right now, but I don't want to stay up here on this bridge, so I'm gonna ride and see where my bicycle takes me to watch the sunset. We're about to go down this hill so fast. No hands. Yes, ma'am. Alright, I'm in alignment. And we're going, and we're going, and we're gone. Yeah, our love. Oh my God, we're going so fast. And we survived it. Yes, we did. Ah! Whoa. That was a new one for sure. It felt really, really good. Get your light radiate, let it shine so bright. Sorry, I'm singing so much, but I just enjoy it. So if you enjoy doing something, do it. Who cares? People think you're not good at it. If you're loving what you're doing, it's all that really matters at the end of the day. Oh, and we're over here at Julian B. Lane Park. So I think this is where I am going to watch the sunset. This park is always busy with people playing soccer and kickball and basketball and doing everything, yoga, meditation, tennis. Pretty incredible. You're welcome. That was pretty cool. A moment like those are pretty cool. Find a water fountain because I am dehydrated. I think they have a water fountain here, so that's perfect. And we're going, and we're going, and we're going to find a water fountain for there. This is a really beautiful park. I'm glad they built it. But I don't know where the water fountain is at. I think it's up here. Tampa Prep. If you can afford it, go to this school. The tuition is out of control though. So I'm still looking for the water fountains. Still no luck, but I have faith that I will find something soon. Oh, there it is. Found it. Julian. Julian, the new water fountain is right here. Yes.